good lookins, it's Amber. That's, I don't even think supposed to be plural. Anyways.
Hello.
Can you even believe that's me? My heart.
Well, whether we believe it or not, yep, that's me. And on this day in 2016, I posted what would become my very first viral video. It's been a wild 5 years, so today I thought we'd take a trip down memory lane and redo it.
Taylor Swift's been re-recording all her albums, so I thought I'd get in on the fun and recreate my old videos. So, here we go. Quick tips to make your broke hoe into a rich bitch. How I turned my broke hoe into a rich bitch. God, I've been waiting my whole life to say that. What's cooking good lookins? It's Amber. I'm actually positive now that it's not supposed to be plural, but hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna set this on a tripod actually. This is something I don't know how to do. Even 5 years later, I'm still unprofessional.
How to make cheap clothes look expensive.
I haven't watched this all the way through, I think since I posted it. The music! I'm dying. This is so funny. Amber, you're always complaining about being broke. How I'm holding the camera is so funny. My eyebrows. That was where I came up with broke bitch tips. It was this video. So, basics are the easiest way to make anything look fabulous. These outfits are iconic. They're literally just like giant t-shirts. Oh man. All right, so we'll start with this outfit.
Because I wear this literally all the time.
I did wear that like every single day. I think the most important tip that I shared even back then is if it fits good, it looks good. If it fits good, it's gonna look good. Stuff that fits is the answer. I think we can all see that the stuff in the first video actually didn't fit me well at all. So shout out to me for thinking it did though. You were still rocking it, sis. You know, I was saying on my Instagram story the other day, why anyone took fashion advice from me is baffling. Because if it fits good, it's gonna look awesome. So instead of wearing a plain white t-shirt, wear something like this. You know, it's boned and fits and it'll give you a waistline and it'll make your boobs look hot. And that is really the secret in making you look expensive. Snatched, honey. Here we go. You might recognize some of these outfits from my Instagrams, or maybe not because they look super basic just sitting here, but okay, a little update on this tip. I was actually totally right. Mixing and matching the same thing in different colors. Vibes. Mix and match things for the same look a million different ways. Jean shorts for a casual rendezvous, or throw on a little black skirt and it's a little dress. Same outfit but a black corset. No one's gonna know.
These are all, again, cheap in their own right, but look super luxurious, like adding a great fabric, like satin.
I still love jackets like that.
Or ta-da, just adding a satin.
I mean, I'm not wrong. Adding a satin coat makes this look like $20 bajillion instantly. It's like magic. I mentioned this before, if you love it, get it in every color. If you wanna like get more wear out of the same outfit, just wear the same thing in a different colors. White corset, black corset, nude corset. Oh, I'm naked. Just kidding, that's for my other channel. Just kidding again, okay.
So in addition to all the fabrics that I mentioned before, which still reign true, velvets and faux furs are awesome.
Tweed is a huge one to look luxurious on a budget. Tweed is like a just really fancy formal material that even when it's cheap, looks nice. Like, see? This is so cute, by the way. I actually got this, I think on either Amazon or AliExpress. You love this. Sneaky.
Yo, cool shoes will make anything look awesome. So grab some of your favorite...
Yo, cool shoes will make anything look awesome. I want that on my gravestone, oh my god. Like bam, literally all I did was add the fur and add the boots and it looks like a totally different outfit. Totally cheap and totally fab. All right, so now my specialty, y'all know. Amazing shoes. Oh! God, I just get hot thinking about shoes. Anyways, again, other channel. So, in case you can't tell, I kid a lot. I would hope after 5 years you know that I kid a lot, but all right. So something that has evolved over the years is my taste in shoes. Obviously now all of my shoes are, well, I mean, they do say happiness is the same price as red bottoms. Adding amazing shoes does, in fact, change every outfit. Like, ta-da! No shoes, I just look crazy. Same outfit with white sneakers, casual going to Trader Joe's. Oh, I love these. Like, honestly, totally changes the vibe. Ready to go to the club and Trader Joe's. When you gotta go to Trader Joe's and then go to the club right after. I know you, I danced with you once upon a dream.
I owned all these shoes in a fantasy back then, so. Anyways. All right, here we go. Easiest tip of all, get some awesome jewelry. Forever 21, $13. That will instantly spice up any look. Jewelry stays the vibe. You guys know I have a ridiculous jewelry collection now, and while I used to have only fake jewelry, now your girl's got some real diamonds too, bitch. But guess what? Yeah, as it turns out, you actually quite literally cannot tell the difference between them when they're on unless you're a jeweler. It doesn't matter. So get yourself some fake jewels and rock yourself all the way to the bank. Guaranteed to look fabulous. Like you can literally wear ripped jeans and a t-shirt and it'll look like $1,000,000 if you got a nice shirt or a nice purse and nice shoes. Plus, add something else luxurious like a really nice tennis bracelet. No one will know the difference between a real one and the real thing.
No one will know the difference between a real one and the real thing.
By the way, in honor of this video and dreams coming true, I just restocked the But What If It Does necklaces. So all of those are available on my very own jewelry website. Go girl, go.
This is so funny.
Like literally, this is the exact same outfit I was just wearing, paired with a couple different accessories. And
What am I wearing?
so that's
I look like I'm going to a witch convention.
just wearing the same thing.
I paired it with this black sheer, whatever the hell this is. This was like $9, by the way.
I don't know how much this whole outfit cost. Definitely under 50.
My tan.
So, but if you're breaking it,
I'm dying at this outfit.
Kind of an updated version on that sexy spy vibes. You can see the same idea. This whole little outfit is just pulled together just by swapping the accessories. Obviously, Chanel necklace makes anything better, but honestly, even just a plain gold chain, some fun sunglasses. I got these on Amazon for $3. And now that, honeys, is a look. Black tights, different shoes. My version of corporate America. Loves in a fancy necklace, boom, it's cocktail. And or Vegas showgirl, which we also love. Woo, woo. I can't wait to watch this video in 5 years and laugh at this outfit. It's gonna be iconic. Also, fun tip, if you're brave enough to do it, stealing celebrity styles. You will look a little ridiculous, like who the hell in their right mind would ever wear this? But
you can hear my roommates like making food in the kitchen in the back. Oh my god.
honestly, I knew what I was talking about back then. I didn't quite do it right, but I had the right idea.
Okay, so this last tip is kind of a cop-out.
Get one pair of really nice shoes that you frickin' love. Get one really nice purse.
Want to know a fun fact? These were fake Louboutins and this is a fake Chanel bag. I didn't even have real nice things. They're fakes.
One really nice purse because no matter
Expose
what
myself.
you pair with them,
Because no matter what you pair with them, you're gonna look like $1,000,000.
This is still a good tip though.
Like with Chanel on your feet and Chanel in your hand, those $3 sunglasses suddenly look like Chanel too. If you're carrying a nice bag, no one will ever know that your outfit was $5 at Target and it's laundry day, so it's dirty. Some things just never change. Can you believe I actually still have this fake pair? You can see it's like rotting. I should really throw this away, but these were really something. Now they have a lot of, well, a couple friends. As Oprah once wisely said, same girl, better shoes. Goodwill and Versace, forever an iconic look. You know, it's true. Fake it till you make it. You want some advice that'll really stand the test of time? It's this. Most important tip for making any outfit look expensive. Make yourself look expensive.
ladies, literally do your hair how you
Preach,
like,
honey.
do your makeup great, feel fabulous, because that is the key to looking your best is feeling your best. So that is something that I always like to do.
She knows
So,
things.
ladies.
As a quick little addendum though, confidence in owning who you are is the ultimate life hack to literally everything, not just clothes and fashion, but literally your entire universe is truly, you know, created out of your thoughts and how you present yourself to the world. And more than knowing how to make cheap clothes look expensive, it is making your inside shine out, and it's gonna show your self-worth to the world. And that is what is going to make you look expensive, you know? Lift yourself up, ladies. You're all goddesses and you deserve the world and more. Honestly, I couldn't have said it better myself. Get it? Because it was me. I crack me up. You know that imaginary crown you always wear? Now that stays the best accessory of all. It'll give you the confidence to strut through the street in anything, or it might do something crazier, like inspire you to start making your own videos about fashion, even when you're dressed like that. Sheer blind faith in yourself will change your life. Certainly changed mine.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. It's Amber. It's Amber. It's Amber. It's Amber. It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel.
I just hit 5,000 subscribers the other day, so thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm gonna hit 10K soon, so hit the subscribe button. I'm so excited. You guys, I'm literally crying. Thank you. This is my dream. Thank you so much for 3.5 million. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in my whole channel and
Not trying to get all deep and sappy in a video about how to make cheap things look pricey, but
since I closed out that original video being cheesy, I'll close this one out being cheesy too. I didn't write a script for this part. I still just do all my videos off the cuff, so apologies if this is long and weird, but truth is something you do today could change your whole life, so live in that, you know? My entire life changed after posting that video. Literally nothing is the same now, but as much as absolutely nothing is the same, somehow everything is the same, and I am still the same person, and oh no, I'm getting emotional, oh no. My eyeliner looks so good today. You grow and you change so much over the years.
If you want it, buy it. It's my motto.
It's funny to have it on camera for me, but you become who you're always meant to be. And I call it the becoming. It's kind of like the idea of who you were and who you are and who you're going to be are all one. It's like the holy trinity of you, kind of. And as cringy as who you were might have been, bringing them with you is such an important part of growing up and becoming who you're meant to be. And she is still so much a part of me. There is so much more now and so many more layers. I have gotten to do more things than I could have ever imagined. And you know, broke bitch, rich bitch, you know, you're who you are wherever you go. I think that's something
that you should never forget, you know, who I was became who I am, just like who you were became who you are. And, you know, you should love her.
It's so cool to have been able to watch my own journey, and it's so cool to share it with you guys, and I hope it means
something to you too. Everyone who's there from the very beginning.
And for the people who are brand new, hi, welcome to the family. I promise I don't cry in every video, except I do, I guess, most of them, but oh no! Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for believing in me, and as a wise woman once said,
If I'm ever luckier than I am right now, I'll see you again very soon.
get this off here, I don't like this.
just like that, you know, the broke bitch became the rich bitch and the prophecy has been fulfilled. I am looking forward to sharing lots more videos with you guys soon, and I'll leave it at that. Cheers to the next 5 years. Kisses till next time, my loves, and I'll see you soon. XO.
I got $1 in the bank, but I look freaking awesome.
Couple million in the bank and I look freaking awesome. Can you see that this says play money? I actually don't have any money in the house. I was gonna do it with the $1 bill, but the only dollar bill that I have, George chewed. So, some things never change.